Learn Czech. May I equals
Smím.
polite requests. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonuses. Let's have fun while you master polite requests in Czech. Picture this. A classy cat in a tiny bow tie taps a bell and meows
Smím.
before entering the room. If the cat can be that polite, so can you. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for permission like a pro, clearly, politely, and confidently. Key phrase.
Smím.
Equals may I. Register. It's polite and a bit formal. Everyday, can I, is.
Můžu, mohu.
Idea map. Permission equals.
Dovolení.
Add a softener like.
Prosím.
Opposite mood.
Nesmím.
Equals I may not, I mustn't. Mnemonic. If it seems fine and prim, ask with.
Smím.
Polite key mini story. Close your eyes and listen. Imagine the scene. At a museum door, a guard looks serious. You smile and ask.
Smím si udělat fotku.
Quote. A soft chime rings, ding, the guard nods, and the room of paintings welcomes you. Later, a grand hall.
Smím vstoupit.
The door glides open like magic. Politeness is your key. Say it right. Repeat after me, clear, calm, friendly. May I open the window?
Smím otevřít okno.
May I sit here?
Smím si sednout sem.
May I ask a question?
Smím se zeptat.
May I come in?
Smím vstoupit.
May I pay by card?
Smím zaplatit kartou.
Polite boost. Add.
Prosím. Smím si sednout sem, prosím.
Tiny dialogue. Act it out with me. Use your best polite voice. A. Excuse me.
Smím si přisednout.
B.
Ano, prosím.
A. Thank you. B. You're welcome. Bonus polite points unlocked. Culture tip. Sound natural in Czech with this quick insight. Use.
Smím.
For polite, respectful permission, great with strangers, officials, or signs. In casual chat, you'll also hear
Můžu, mohu.
can I, which focuses on ability and is more everyday. Don't mix it up with
Musím.
must I, or
Mám.
should I? In trams or cafes, a simple
Smím si sednout sem. Prosím.
makes you instantly likable. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'm listening with my super ears. 1. How do you say, may I, in Czech? Answer.
Smím.
2. Fill the blank. Blank, otevřít okno? May I open the window? Answer.
Smím.
3. Everyday alternative to ask, can I? Answer.
Můžu, mohu.
4. Opposite of, I may, as in, I must not. Answer.
Nesmím.
5. In a restaurant, ask to pay by card, go. Answer.
Smím zaplatit kartou.
10-second challenge. You've got this, make it personal. Create your own line with
Smím.
about your day. Example cue, work, cafe, library, or travel. Your turn, speak now. Bonus rhyme to lock it in. If it seems fine and prim, ask with
Smím.
Exclamation mark quote. Wrap up and thanks. Nice work today. Today you mastered may I equals
Smím.
plus helpers like
Prosím.
and contrasts with
Můžu, mohu. Musím.
and.
Mám.
Keep practicing. May I sit here?
Smím si sednout sem.
May I ask a question?
Smím se zeptat.
Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.